you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs.
Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Either way, I am so happy that you are here today because we are going to be doing part 2 of my kitchen spring clean. I really need to deep clean my fridge and freezer, as well as get my complete disaster of a kitchen back in order. My question to you is, have you started your spring cleaning yet? And do you find that once you focus on that one room for a day or two, that the rest of the house literally falls apart around you? Because that's what's happened here, and I'm so happy with how clean, decluttered and organized the kitchen feels, but definitely be on the lookout for a whole house clean with me. For sure, I will be needing to film some all-day cleaning motivation in the near future because my house is absolutely trashed, but that's mum life, hey? I hope you enjoy today's dose of speed cleaning motivation. And speaking of speed cleaning, if you love super speed cleaning videos, I wanted to share my friend Naima Altador's channel with you all today. This isn't a collab, but I absolutely love her cleaning videos. She has a very successful cleaning channel that I will leave linked below in the description box, but she also has just created a second channel called Super Speed Cleaning, and all of her videos go for roughly 8 to 10 minutes because they are super sped up, but they are so satisfying to watch. So if you are short on time but really want that cleaning motivation, I definitely recommend her channel, but I will leave the links to both of her channels below if you are interested in checking those out after you are finished watching my video today.
Everything's so much better. Riding high on the river, you and I. We're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. There's no going back, no going back.
So here you will see I've just chopped up my sweet potatoes that were on the bench, and I'm also just putting these browned bananas into the freezer. Sometimes I will make banana muffins if I do have time that day, but today I just really didn't have time. I really needed to get this kitchen cleaned, deep cleaned, organized for my spring cleaning video today. But I did just go ahead and put them into freezer bags for smoothies in the mornings. My kids are absolutely loving having smoothies for breakfast, so that is just what I do with those if I'm not going to be making banana bread or banana muffins out of them. And then I am just getting this kitchen back in order. This has been a couple days of not doing the dishes, so they desperately need to be done. The benches need to be wiped down, and then we will get into the deep cleaning.
Standing on the dizzying heights.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found it.
So if you are new here, I am so happy that you clicked on one of my videos today. My name is Katrina and I'm currently a stay-at-home mum to 2 toddlers, a 1-year-old girl and a 3-year-old boy. And this is my second channel here on YouTube, as I mentioned earlier, where I share my cleaning videos only. It's just for cleaning motivation and clean with me videos. So you will find plenty of deep cleaning, spring cleaning, speed cleaning, extreme cleaning motivation, complete disaster clean with me videos, plenty of real life messes, room transformations, and occasionally small renovations, as my house is old, so it does need a few updates, which will be coming up in some future videos. So if you love house cleaning videos, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos every single week and I would love to have you here watching and finding motivation in my videos.
The way got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. Can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken shy.
One of the main reasons that I don't like it when the dishes build up so much is because, unlike with a dishwasher, the sink water gets really dirty fast, so I'll have to change that water out before I finish washing the cutlery. But I'll go ahead and do that off camera and rinse those dishes off. And instead of always boring you with the same content, I'll go ahead and create some before and after YouTube magic here before wiping down the benches, so that we have somewhere to put everything when we empty out the fridge and freezer. So it is time for a fridge clean out. I love watching fridge cleaning and organizing videos here on YouTube, but actually cleaning my own fridge is a different story. As you will be able to tell soon, this fridge hasn't been done for a good 6 months, I think, and the freezer, I would say, hasn't been deep cleaned in longer than that. So this is sure to be some satisfying cleaning for you all today. When I did get to that top shelf to wipe it down, I somehow managed to put my phone into slow-mo motion mode for filming, and I just could not stand putting you all through that of watching me clean that top shelf for 12 minutes. So I went ahead and just took that footage out, and thankfully the rest was filmed properly.
baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
So all of these drinks down in the bottom drawers are for guests, so I do like to keep those right down the bottom and out of the way so that they're not like in eyesight, stops us from reaching for the soft drinks and things like that, which we don't typically drink in this house. And I know that the end result of this fridge doesn't look all pretty and organized in containers, but sometimes I just think containers cause more stuff to clean. I might eventually get a couple long skinny containers for the yogurts, as they do seem to always get lost in the back of the fridge or behind things, and sometimes they do go out of date for that reason. So probably a container for the yogurts would definitely come in handy, but other than that, there is not much else to organize. The freezer, on the other hand, is a complete disaster. The deep freezer is worse, but that's a story for another day. A few things have leaked in here, including some icy poles in the last couple of months, so I'm just going to quickly give this a good deep clean. How often do you deep clean your fridge and freezer? I have heard a few people say that they do it weekly. Let me know if you manage to get that done, or if you're like me and struggle to keep up with all the messes at times, as well as taking care of toddlers and young kids.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. Guess I can't help myself. Would you hurt me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So let's take a minute to talk about this shelf. When I moved into my partner's house 5 years ago, it was very much a man cave, and the kids and I have slowly but surely taken over the house, which I feel a little bad for, but it is just what happens when you have a family, I suppose. But I'm the first to understand that change can cause a lot of stress on someone, and my partner was just starting to feel like all of his stuff was just disappearing from the house, or from the eyesight, I suppose. So I put up with this shelf for a good 5 years, and I looked at his stubby holder collection every day, and then I proceeded to pat myself on the back for being patient for 5 years, and today I took it all down. It collects so much dust up there, and it's just an eyesore, and he has a garage, and I think it would be plenty big enough to create a nice display in there with them when he is ready to do so. So I do understand though that he may want to keep a few inside, so I'll be adding a nice white container for a few to go in, but that also allows them to be away and hidden, and it just looks a lot nicer on the eye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but...
So I'm just getting all of the dust off the top of the fridge here too before getting that basket for the shelf. I also want to get a nice green plant for up there to bring a bit more nice colour and greenery to the room. I'm still undecided between real or fake, so leave your comments below on which way you think I should go with that one. But thank you so much for watching my cleaning video today. I hope I inspired or motivated you in some way, or bring a little entertainment to your day today. Hopefully I will see you all here again in a few days with some brand new cleaning motivation. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you all again really soon.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete.